doesn't work now. Hello YouTube, Copper King Recycling, and today on the board I've got a telephone. Sorry about that introduction. I like dramatic sometimes. Let's see if that's good. Oh, what? You want to stick together a little bit. Well, let's just see. I think right there should do it. Easy there, big guy. Yeah, they got it. Oh my gosh, how are you still together? Now I see you. Oh, can't reach it. Just got the screwdriver. Man, this thing is built good. Look at this. I put this so it's on there like this, and I thought I got all the screws out. I started mauling it with a hammer. Oh, what's this? Another cord. Great. That's just what I wanted. Oh, don't fight with me. A little bit of gold in there. Just get those right now. You in the bucket. And you in the bucket. Oh joy, more cheap wire. Where's my gold? So much gold. So much. Now that this has revealed more screws. Screw. These ones are in there. Where's the other one? Just try this one. There we go. Maybe. This thing is built good. It says cheap old plastic, but man, you can put it to a hammer. Okay, screw, come on out. Come on out. Get my hand cramp. What's going on here? I've probably broken it, and now I can never get it apart. Well, I'll get it apart. Where's the screwdriver? That saved me one. This one? I can't get it apart. There we go. Buttons, huh? Screw that piece. What's this? Plastic. Wait, wrong side. Plastic. Plastic. And then what's in here? This is mylar. Okay, really? Circuit board. Speaker, obviously. A piece of wire. Goes out. Obviously a magnet in here. Yeah. Like it. This is okay. Yep. Cheap. There you. see some gold in there. Take this apart, get my silver out there. Nice. Oh, what's in here? Oh, yeah, we're gonna break this too. There we go. And garbage. Let's see here. We're gonna pop this off like this. Oh, gold in the bucket. Bucket. Mylar. Oh. How are you just... It's probably glued together. There's usually multiple layers. Maybe not. No, yeah, that's multiple layers. Probably heat treated together. Anyways. Oh, how do I get this open? Let me just think about that for a minute. There we go. Oh, resistance. There we go. Just have to gently. Oh, really? I said gently tap it. There we go. Oh, look how easily it comes apart. Uh-oh, I broke it. Oh, so there's your inside circuit board. And we're going to take this out. That's a screw. Stay over there. There's a little talkie-talk. A little gold in there. Save that. Rid of that. Garbage. One weird looking circuit board. Broken. Uh-oh. That is the cheapest circuit board I've ever seen. Well, actually, it's this. That is. Yikes. Oh, what's in her? I will use this. So easy to get out. Ouch. Okay, right. Well, guess what? Recycle it just like that. I don't even want that part. I don't want this part. I just want this part. All the silver. A little bit of wire. This thing. Yeah. Curious minds want to know. Yeah. It's just a plastic speaker device. Boo. Thanks for watching. Copper King out.